You already know that BidSuite is the platform to find all healthcare and social care tenders in the UK. You already have an account and you receive tender alerts in your inbox, but you are still struggling with knowing how to find the eligibility details of any tender. If you fall into any of this category, this video is for you. First, you log in as usual using your email and password. Then you click on the search bar for the type of tender you want. Once you click on the tender, it shows you the details: the opening date, deadline, budget, category, evaluation period, and contract award date. Then you will see information about the tender. Scroll down a bit and boom! You will see the eligibility criteria document. There you will see everything you need to know whether you are best suited for the tender or not. Visit getbidsuite.co.uk to get started. For further assistance, contact us on support@assuredbid.co.uk or call 0203 883 1022.